This is Joseph Harriet. She was shot from here, and finally it came out from this side. You can change like this to the camera, the purpose of the camera, or not. That is how the wound was, but they shot from here and it got out from this side. That is Joseph. So long what
PW8 Mwenda is filed before the stronger court. Is the police officer also affidavits?
Bamutema ku ekigere ekyo.
The simple placards.
Nebigasobola okwogera kitono.
Have you heard?
Owulire bulungi.
Yes. Have you understood?
Obitegeeye.
Yes. Are those placards correct or not?
Nebibogere ku bituufu oba tibituufu?
No.
The placards are correct.
A1, it means that I have waived the right to prosecute A2, A3, and A4. And on that vein, I beg Honorable Chairman to allow me, though I'm not going now, I'm reducing one of my witnesses. At this juncture, I'm not going to adduce the pathologist, Dr. Yarhanga, to prove the death of the death and injuries from count 1 to count 8 to count 9, and the guard from one that is the ballistic expert was supposed to be in this premise today. So those experts
amasasi gakutufukira gakulala era nze bankubanga ebigere kendiwulira aye nga nditaasa feesi yange nti wensitukira ajja kunkuba paka mu maiso n'alemera mu butebe mwendi yakubanga abaana okuvanga ku butebe okugwa wansi nze nga ndikuwuliraye nga kyesegensa olwo bamala batudeda batutwala emulago batutwala basatu batutwala bana twali bana omulala yasigala enakabule bali batwala mu eddwaliro bwe bamunabantu bakoba tuwekwetireso oba olina kyona tolekireso kyona kinewenge n'asuula ku baana ng'aye okutuuka eka n'agambula nze naali mukanaagi eri ereeke wamunange naye agana omusadanga agwire mu kisenge omwamunange omwana owundi agwire mu ddiiro eri emberi owundi bamutwaye owundi eyena agwire mu ly'emiyandu watwaye eddakiika ng'eisatu n'omwana yena baali bali mutwala mu iddwaliro lyakuma mugira yena bamwiza ng'afiire.
It is me who did everything.
With a reason.
And I did them with a reason.
Let him
first be specific. What exactly?
What you're going to put with
Ndikiriza omusango okumvanizibwa nti nabukola.
Musango ki? Kubera kuti this is a court.
Okwokuyita.
He had accepted that he is the one who killed Mwenda.
Bwe nategeerako nti bwe nali nga mboni yabonye akaseera akatiira akawanvu.
Okay, let me read count by count. So you tell Mr. Chairman, there are things seems to be changing.
Then I told him, okay, this is now the time that we are going to make the statement, and then he informed us his name, which was really Buka Robert Hudson.
Namukoba nti katutandike era yatandika n'amayina ge yagoba nze ebiri bivimbuka Robertson. Robert Robertson.
He's 28 years of age.
Wa myaka 28.
He's a resident of Ruhengeri, Chiyohura district.
Era mukirame wa Ruhengeri mu Chiyohura district.
That he's a UPDF officer attached to SFC.
Nti musirikale wa UPDF era ng'akolera wansi w'ekibiina kya SFC.
Then he told me that in regard to the first count,
yamukoba nti ebigema ku musango okusooka.
He told me that it is true he killed Bweyazza because of the following reasons.
Yamukoba nti mazima Bweyazza namuyita olw'ensonga zino wansi nebajja okusooka.
He said he killed Bweyazza Omujaasi because he killed his mother, Namukoma Zuma.
Yamukoba nti Bweyazza namuyita olw'ensonga esooka yeeyita maama wange gwe beeta Namukoma Zauma.
That the deceased attempted 2 times to kill my mother.
Era omugenzi yagezaako emirundi ebiri okugenda okuyita maama wange.
That the first time he found my mother on the road and attempted to strangle her.
Era omuntu okusooka yayagala maama wange ku luguudo ng'atambula yagezaako okumutuka.
That the second time he bought poison and poured it in a drum.
Era omuntu ogwokubiri yagula obutwa yabuyiwa mu drum.
That the third time, whenever he would get his leave, he would stay home for a few days. The deceased brings police officers to arrest him.
Nti era we yali ng'afunanga ekipali oba ekipala ekimuyigiriza okuva gy'akolera Ruhengeri okuyira ku mukyalo ng'abaawo wena ku nkono ng'omugenzi aleeta poliisi ng'emugema.
That when he had returned from Congo to bury his mother, the deceased Bweyazza brought police officers to arrest him.
Era agoba nti we yali ng'akava e Congo yali alyekolera mu kaseera ako ng'ayinza kusika maama we omugenzi Bweyazza Mudaasa yaleeta abasirikale abapoliisi bagema biri ku mukolo kati.
That one day the deceased Mwenda was talking to his father at a bar.
Era nti olunaku lulala yali Bweyazza ali kugaana ne papa we mu bbaala.
Mwenda had a friend who stays near the bar.
80, 87, 70. In the names Robert William. The fourth number, my lord, 0703 33 00 28. In the names Patrick Kakaba. And the last number is 0753 81 26 72. In the names of Maureen Nekesa. Of the mobile number given to me, which was given to me as the number used by one identified as Medi, was in the names of Maureen Nekesa. Mobile number 0701 41 97 13, which was in the names of Robert William, and the early copies were picked and given to me from the network service provider. Common method that everyone knows here, my lord, of laying star 165 hash as I'm sending mobile money to see in which names the number being registered. And I got all these numbers, 2 in the names of Robert William, 1 in the names of Patrick Kakaba, and the other, which was given to me as for Medi, in the names of Maureen Nekesa.